What's up, YouTube? We back on the C10. It's been a good 13 days, I guess you can say 2 weeks, and we finally got the hinges in. My supplier didn't have them in stock, so they had to drop ship them from where they get them from straight to me, so I can get them a little quicker. We already got the new bolts in, and we've been waiting on the hinges, so now we got the hinges in. So now we're just waiting on the doors. So hopefully they'll get here by next week, so we can go ahead and get it all on and go ahead and get this truck painted, so we can move to get it closer, not further, get it closer to getting out the door. So we got them in. Once we get the doors in, we'll start back recording, get it put on, and then we can go ahead and finally paint this truck. So all right, YouTube, we're just waiting on the door, so see y'all when they come in. What up, YouTube? We back on the C10. Finally got the doors in today after a few weeks of being on back order. They called me this morning and said they got both of my doors in, so we went and picked them up, and they in great shape, no dings, no dents. So we're gonna get them put on today so we get the truck painted. So all right, stay tuned. We've been got the hinges in, so that's what we've been waiting on. All right, we'll have them put on today. So see y'all in the next clip. What's going on, YouTube? We back on the C10. As you guys saw in the previous clips, the previous pictures, we got the doors in, and we got them. We finally got them installed. We got all the body lines lined up. We also got, try to open this door. Well, can't open this one. We got the new hinges on. We had a hard time adjusting these doors with the right gap and to match up the body lines. And in order to match it up, we had to take both fenders off, because we had to slide the hinges back and forward, up and down, slide the door back and forward, up and down, in and out. So the whole fender had to come off, and once we got it right, then we had to adjust the fender. Basically, we just had to adjust the door to that body line, get it right, get it sitting like it's supposed to, then get the fender adjusted to the door, and now everything sits perfect and even, and now we're ready to paint. So all right, YouTube, what we're going to do is get it out this hole. We're going to blow it off, clean it off, go over it one more time and make sure we got everything. The truck has been sitting, so we've been working on it, we've been leaning on it, so we're going to make sure that it doesn't have any more dents, and then we're going to go ahead and move the paint. So all right, YouTube, see you guys in the next clip. Come on. All right, start coming to your left. You coming out the door. You out there. You can put it over there in front of that Challenger. She laid down slick. It'll be slicker once you get that flow coat though. Yeah, she look good. Flow coat time. Alright, we're ready for the flow coat. Finna go ahead and cover up the wheels. And we got it sanded, got it block sanded. Got it cleaned off, got it wiped off. And finna tack it. We'll tack it and then we finna throw 3 good coats of clear on it. And we be done. So, alright, see y'all in a minute. Cut it hard left. You good on this side. Come on. Yep, straighten up. You out of there. Yeah. All right, YouTube, that's it. And the next episode 3. I think that's the episode we on. But episode 3, we'll start putting it back together. The interior, the sunroof, and the doors, the handles, new chrome molding around the side, the new emblems, new tail lights, new marker lights. We'll do all that in episode 4. So, all right, subscribe and see what I do next.